just inside there, where you see that bit of wood coming down, that was a big thick stone wall like this one here, and in it was a most beautiful three-panelled stained glass window.
In the top window, the Reverend?
That was given by the early pioneers and the Masonic Lodge. They paid for it. It's a beautiful, beautiful stained glass window. And we have it all photographed, of course, and the rest of it, but we're just hoping that we can save it. Yeah.
It's got a monetary value, I understand.
They said to replace that window is around about $1 million. The window we've lost is about $800,000, but we do have a $1 million window in storage. They took it out from the east wall.
The scripture of the window you're trying to save?
The theme of it is the Good Samaritan who fell amongst thieves, and the Good Samaritan came and ministered to his wounds and looked after him. That piece of brass is called a corona, and I believe, I've been told, there's only one other piece in the world like it, so it's a unique piece of Victorian brass. There are about 639 or 689 pieces. Can you remember how many, John?
I thought it was 608, I think.
608 pieces of different pieces of brass in that beautiful corona, and we certainly, it's all screwed. So we certainly want to save that. And it used to burn oil lamps. They used to be oil lamps, and it was electrified in 1927. So we'd like to save that. How about a cuddle for your papa? Eh? How about a cuddle for your papa? Come on. I love you.
I'll go and see if the boys are down at the old skating one.